Let's wander on into our lesson for today. Welcome back, boys and girls. Today, to begin, we're going to practice alphabetizing some of our letter tiles. Let's see what letters we're going to be working with today. Ooh, lots of letters popping up today. Do you think we're going to have to alphabetize all of these letters? You're right, we are. Remember, when we alphabetize, we use our letter strips, and we go through each letter of the alphabet. This way, we can make sure we don't miss any letters. Here we go. Our first letter is the letter A, so let's bring down the letter A. And we're going to keep on going. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Uh-oh, what happened? We haven't learned the letter Q yet, so we don't have a letter Q tile yet. R, there's R. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now that we've put all the letters in alphabetical order, what letter is missing? Can you figure it out? That's right. We are missing the letter Q. That's our last letter that we still need to learn about. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, boys and girls. Today, boys and girls, we're going to practice taking away the initial or beginning part in words. I wonder, boys and girls, if I say the word seat and I want to take away the s, what is left? Let's do it again. Listen carefully. If I say the word seat and I want to take away the s, what is left in the word? Seat without the s is eat. All right, boys and girls, here we go. Listen carefully. What is land without the ul? What's left? Listen again. What is land without the ul? What is left? Land without the ul is and. Here's another one. What is rat without the Listen again. What is rat without the Rat without the is at. What is gone without the g? What's left? Listen again. What is gone without the g? Gone without the g is on. What is fin without the f? Listen again. What is fin without the f? Fin without the f is in. Here's another one. What is sit without the s? What's left? What is sit without the s? Sit without the s is it. Here's one more. What is bus without the b? What's left? What is bus without the b? Bus without the b is us. Great job, boys and girls. We're going to keep practicing that as we go along. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you later.